This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheesecake jars at home. First, gather your ingredients and clean your jars. You'll need small, clean jars, about 8 ounces each, along with your favorite cheesecake components. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a delicious and easy-to-make dessert. Get ready to create some delightful individual treats that are perfect for any occasion. To begin, ensure you have softened cream cheese, granulated sugar, and a good quality vanilla extract for your creamy filling. For the crust, combine finely crushed graham cracker crumbs with about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Don't forget your 8-ounce jars, which should be clean and ready. A hand mixer will make blending the filling smooth and effortless. Now for the fun part, assembly. Start by pressing about 2 tablespoons of your graham cracker crust mixture into the bottom of each 8-ounce jar. Next, carefully pipe or spoon approximately 1/4 cup of your creamy cheesecake filling over the crust. Add a layer of your chosen toppings, like fresh berries or chocolate chips, then repeat the filling and topping layers, leaving about 1 inch of space at the top. Once assembled, it's crucial to chill your cheesecake jars. Place them in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This allows the cheesecake filling to set properly and all the delicious flavors to fully develop. Before serving, you can add a final garnish, like a fresh berry or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly portioned cheesecake jars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.